Welcome to Guide Up. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to add experience in LinkedIn. For that, make sure you have the application on your device and you are logged into your account. Now at this home page, at the top left, you can see your profile icon. You have to tap over there. All you have to do is tap on View Profile. Now here you can see the option of Add section just beside Open To. You have to tap over there. LinkedIn hasn't officially added the option of Add Experience, but Add Position option does the same job. So you have to tap on that option. Now here you need to fill down your informations. Firstly, you need to enter the title of your job. You can choose numerous options according to your experience. After that, you need to enter your employment type. You can see numerous options. You can choose the one that you had an experience with. Now you need to enter your company name. Here now search for your company name and tap on it. After that, enter the location of your company. You need to also choose your location type, like on-site, hybrid or remote. If you aren't currently working in this role, then remove that tick option. Now you need to enter the start date of the work. After that, you need to enter the end date. Likewise, you need to describe your experience. Make sure it must be less than 2000 words. After that, you need to add your skills. We recommend adding your top 5 used in this role. They'll also appear in your skills section. You can choose or either search for the skills. After that, all you have to do is tap on Done, which is at the right side at the top. After that, you need to add media like images or sites. You can tap on Add Media option. There you can add a link, upload a photo or take a photo. Either you can upload the photo of the work experience that you have or add a link. After that, all you need to do is tap on Save and your experience will be added in LinkedIn app. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel. Guide Up. Thank you.